the Department of Education has been conducting annual national tests to know the reading stage level of the students. Can you please tell us more about it?
It is a program actually conducted during the first and fourth grading period. This used to assess students' reading level. It is done actually one by one. So you do one-on-one meeting with the students and you listen to the students to assess on which level they are already. Because it's also a gauge on students' reading development throughout the school year.
Mm. For those students who did not do well in the said test, what are the actions that the school will do to aid the said students?
Mm, what we normally do is we conduct remedial activities for our students before and after class. So it depends on the class advisor on how they want to encourage their students to read more or actually do reteaching and revision with them. So for me, what I do is I do remedial reading before and after class.
Mm. What are the other programs or activities that school has been conducting to enhance the reading skills of the students?
Hmm, reading materials are frequently given by school sponsors because our principals actually working hard to ask sponsors and giving us materials for the students to use. These are materials used to perk the students' interest as well because we noticed that because technology is highly advanced now, the students are losing interest in reading because it becomes very tedious for them. So what we are doing is we are tying up with um, the advancement of technology. We are using it as a way to present reading materials to the students.
Mm. So, what do you think are the factors that causes the students to avoid or to lack reading?
At their age, reading is a bit tedious for them. It's really hard work. So instead of doing reading, um, what they do is because now you see internet is just there. It's very easy to play games. It's very accessible. So instead of doing a tedious work, you tend to go to an easier task. So for us, I think it's one of the big factors that causes children to lose interest. And also, you see now that parents really there's a lack of motivation from the parents' part. Because for them, it's just yes, because most of our pupils came from poor families. Parents tend to work hours, or sometimes they lose interest in sending the children to school because they are thinking that anyway at the end of the day they are still poor. So they lose the drive to motivate their children and to also teach their children at home. So for us, we do our part, but there's also there also have to be a follow up when they go home.
In your opinion, ma'am, what action should the Department of Education do to stop the decreasing rate of the students' interest in reading?
I think they should focus more on creating interest, like providing for materials that will really stimulate the child's interest in reading. Also, they should also work cooperatively with the parents. Information dissemination is also important. You focus more on creating interest in the parents in sending their children to school and also forcing them to read. Tapos, also, you invest money in providing updated materials because as you see, most of the materials in public schools are very, how to say, they're not updated. They're used long ago. So you should also give money to those updated materials.
Okay. Last question. Being a teacher, how do you help those students who are having a hard time understanding or comprehending the lesson?
For my class, what I did is I focus and I spend time to teaching lessons such as letters of the alphabet, the sounds, because students don't know how to read because they cannot recognize the letters. So you go back to the basic foundation so that you know that their foundation is actually correct. So I also do one-on-one reading with my students before and after class. And because I'm in the primary level, so it's very important that you focus on the basic um, lessons and the basic reading lessons as well. So pronunciation drills are also done before English lesson basic sight words are recited every day.